Good morning students, welcome to our Sheba online class. Now we are going to see our 7th visual communication class. Okay, what is visual communication? We are going to study about computer, what all are the process and programming, files, folder, everything we are going to see in this our lesson. Okay, visual communication is the one process or some program which is in the computer we are doing. Visual communication means animation, that 3D effect. In our movie we are going to see means there is a animation or some 3D effect. There are a 2D and 3D. 2D means only a front and that side part only. 3D means it will cover all the position. In your maths class you will study about the square and cube. Cube means 3-dimensional. Square means only this part. This is a square. 2D. Okay. 3D means it will show you the 3-dimensional of an object or some program. Okay. You can able to see the direction of the all the ways. This is the visual communication. Now I am going to say about how to on the computer, how to off the computer, and how to we want a basic, right? We want a basic about the computer. Now I am going to show you that. Now I am going to tell about how to on the computer and how to off the computer. Just see, the girl is asking how to on the computer. The first step is remove all the covers from the computer and its device. We have to remove everything. And second step is switch on the main socket button on the switchboard. எல்லார்கிட்டயும் switch board னு ஒன்னு இருக்கும், அதை ஆன் பண்ணணும். Third step, switch on the UPS. UPS means power saving when current off. இப்போ கரண்ட் நம்மளுக்கு போயிடுச்சுன்னா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் ஆகிடும், பிகாஸ் கரண்ட் ஒன்லி சப்ளைங் த பவர் ஃபார் த கம்ப்யூட்டர். ஸோ கரண்ட் ஆஃப் ஆன நேரத்தில் வந்து நம்மளால் கம்ப்யூட்டரை யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. அதுக்காக தான் இந்த யூபிஎஸ்ஸை வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். UPS, when we on the button of UPS, the power will be stored. When suddenly the computer is off, it will not be off. அது ஆஃப் ஆகாது கரண்ட் போனதும். இந்த இது வந்து பவர் சேவ் பண்ணி முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு நம்மளுக்கு சிஸ்டமை ஆனில் வைக்க யூஸ் ஆகுது. This is the third step. We have to on the UPS after the switch on. Fourth step is switch on the CPU. What is CPU? CPU is the central processing unit. That means the full form of CPU is central processing unit. This will have the features of RAM, OS. These are the memory storage. In this CPU நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான மெமரி, நம்ம ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணுற ப்ரோக்ராம், அப்புறமா நம்ம மொபைல் ஃபோனில் RAM will be there. அந்த இதெல்லாம் வந்து சிஸ்டமில் இங்கே இருக்கும்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஓஎஸ் ஃபீச்சர்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு மெமரி ஸ்டோரேஜாக வந்து இருக்கும். எப்படி நம்ம ஹியூமனில் தெர் இஸ் அ பிரெயின், லைக் தட் இன் கம்ப்யூட்டர் CPU இஸ் த பிரெயின் ஆஃப் தி கம்ப்யூட்டர். I told you we have to on the CPU after the UPS. And then fifth step is switch on the monitor. In computer there will be a two types, software and hardware. In your 6th standard you already learned about the hardware and software. Monitor is a software because அந்த monitor மூலமா தான் விஷுவலாக நம்மளால் நம்ம டைப் பண்ணுற ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் அண்ட் அதர் ப்ராசஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம விஷுவலாக வந்து பார்க்க முடியும். அதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகிறது தான் மானிட்டர். In monitor and the CPU, we are connecting a CPU, the memory storage will be show in the computer. After starting the button, the windows will be open. This is the window which when we start the computer, the pictures will be like this only. And then the mouse pointer looks like an horse glass when the computer is busy, it means it will need some time to start up. That means நம்ம ஆன் பண்ணோன்னா அந்த இது வந்து மவுஸில் இருக்கிற அந்த ஏரோ வந்து கொஞ்சம் நேரம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுறதுக்கு வெயிட் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா வந்து டக்குன்னு ஸ்டார்ட் ஆனோன்னா அந்த ப்ராசஸை எல்லாமே அது பண்ணுறதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுத்துக்கும். ஆஃப்டர் தென் ஒன்லி இட் வில் பி started. Now we saw about the how to start the computer. Now how to off the computer, first step is click on the start or the window sign on the screen of the monitor. That means in the monitor la vandu inga oru green color therida, that is a start. அதை நம்ம click பண்ணோன்னா அதில் ஒரு இது வந்து ஒரு ஃபைல் மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராசஸ் ஆன் ஆகுது. கிளிக் ஆன் த ஷட் டவுன் டேர்ம் ஆஃப் ஆப்ஷன் இன் த பேனல். தட் மீன்ஸ் நீங்கள் அதை கிளிக் பண்ணிங்கன்னா ஒரு பேனல் வந்து ஆன் ஆகும். அதில் வந்து ஷட் டவுன்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கும். வி ஹாவ் டு கிளிக் தட். அதை கிளிக் பண்ணால் தான் வந்து ஷட் டவுன் ஆகும். ஷட் டவுன் மீன்ஸ் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஆஃப் த கம்ப்யூட்டர். ஆஃப்டர் ஷட் டவுனிங் and the computer monitor will be off. The CPU and gets automatically turned off after the shutdown option is clicked. நம்ம ஆன் பண்ணோன்னா CPU வந்து ஆன் பண்ணோம். ஆனால் பட் நம்ம இது ஷட் டவுன் பண்ணதும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக CPU ஆஃப் ஆகிடும். Then we have to off the USB and also off the switch of the board. I told you about how to on and off. Now see, I just recalling it. To turn on your computer, we should switch on the CPU power button and then switch on the monitor power button. This is the way of owning the computer. How to off the computer? Click on the start or the window icon, click on the shutdown, turn off option from the panel, switch off the monitor. This is the way of on and off of the computer. I told you how to on and off the computer. Now shall we move to the inner part of the lesson. In general, whenever we think of computer, the thing that come to our mind is computer screen, keyboard, mouse, CPU. This all only when we say about computer means in our mind, this is only the first part which came in our mind. Okay, and now in that in deeper when we see in this computer, there is a file, folder, and there are lots of things. Still they are introducing many process in the computer. Okay, I am just saying about the basic things and what all are need for some programming or for some presentation or for going to some job means we want a resume, that means biodata. How to prepare it, everything I am just going to say just detailedly. Okay, in this what is file? File means the output we get from any application is commonly referred as file. That means if we want some we are doing some presentation means we will just make some presentation and we are going to copy it or we have to save it in some folder, that is folder. Okay, that is a full presentation. But what is file? File means each page which we are preparing. For each page which we are preparing, that is a file. Okay, the file should be in page number 99. There is some many file they are showing, like this only the file will be in our window. When we started, we going into the folder means there will be some slider or like a file, it will show it file. அந்த மேல் அந்த டாப்லேயே வந்து ஃபைல்னு மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். த ஃபைல் வில் பி லைக் திஸ் ஒன்லி விச் வி ஆர் சேவிங். இப்போது நம்ம வந்து ஒன் டாக்குமெண்ட் வி ஆர் ப்ரிப்பரிங் சம் டாக்குமெண்ட் மீன்ஸ் it will mention as like this documents document or some other files means it will PDF means it will mention it as PPT means PPT, that means one slide of some images or some what we all are presenting means that is it will mention this is a file. Okay, file oda different na sonna. Ipo what is folder? Folder is a storage space that contains multiple files. That means folder ko file ka difference we have to know. Okay, file means the single pages What is folder means multiple file. If one more file or attaching means more than one means that is folder. Every file we are just taking it and making one folder. இப்போ வந்து for example, then now see file means this only. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு for example we are giving some presentation means when we are going to take some seminars in our class means what we will do, first we will make some file means ஒரு ஸ்லைட்லயும் வந்து நமக்கு தேவையான எல்லாத்தையும் வந்து நம்ம ஒரு ஃபைல்ல வந்து நம்ம ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணியிருப்போம். அதுக்கப்புறம் அது என்ன ஆகும், அது you will complete it one file itself? No, you can't able to complete it because presentation means whole thing. We have to take another pages 2, okay, mention it 1 2 and we just combining it and we have to give it in one folder. Okay, ஒரு folderல வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம arrange பண்ணி அதை set பண்ணி வச்சா, for example take a science. This is a science presentation means you have to mention it as science. In 99 itself in that yellow color, that is a folder. Okay, that structure will be like this. Okay, like a file which we brought in a shop, no, like this only. We will mention it as science. Then when you go to the science, it will show many slides like what you are prepared there. That is a folder. This is the difference between the file and the folder. Okay, and then for clear understanding we can take example of bookshelf in a library. For clear understanding they itself given one example, bookshelf in library. In library how it will be look, it will show one science, just take a 6th standard science book, 7th standard science book and till from the every science books are there means it will be arranged in one rack. Okay, that rack is a folder and that 6th standard book, 7th standard book, 8th standard book, that is a file. Every file when arranged in one rack means that is folder. This is a given a clear explanation. And also we use a guide board. Okay, what is guide board? To go to the unknown place. And like that when we on the computer click the start button. I already told you how to switch off the computer. There will be a start button. When you click it, that the panel will be shown and in that panel we want to take some shutdown like that. Okay, in same everything நமக்கு என்னென்ன ப்ரோக்ராம் வேணுமோ எல்லாத்துக்கும் MS PowerPoint, MS Word அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய option will be there. We want to take which we want. Okay, and then what it show a list of programs in the computer. Now only I told you it will show a list of computer. And then now select the required program and create the required file. Okay, select the required program means which we want to select, just select the program and which we want a required file, select that and use it up. This is the way of using a computer. And then how we can create a file? I told you what is file and what is folder. And now how we will create a file. For example, if the computer is operating on the Windows OS, we can collect our notes in notepad. ஓகே, என்ன பண்ணணும்னா நம்ம இப்போது கம்ப்யூட்டரை ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணணும்னா we want to go to the Windows OS and then OS already I told you in the CPU this all program will be stored there. Okay, and we have to go to MS Word. For a resume we have to go for a MS Word and for a presentation we have to go to MS PowerPoint. And then in Notepad, what is Notepad? இப்போ நம்ம we are writing some instruction or something means we are writing in a book. Like same way only Notepad means we are typing it in the computer with the help of keyboard. Okay, that is a Notepad. And in that we can able to draw a pictures and we also able to type some words which we want. That also we can able to do that. And also for a painting also there is a option. As per its name we can type notes in Notepad and save the created file in the folder, and which we want means we have to type it in the notepad and also save the file in the, we have to first create it and then we have to save it in the folder. Like this only there will be a Paint app, we can draw and edit picture. Likewise itself there is a Paint app. In computer itself there will be a Paint app. We have to select it and also we can able to draw the pictures and we want to edit. Like same in the mobile how we are editing everything, like there is also a effects which we want everything there will be in the computer. Okay, just we have to edit it and we have to create a file and we have to store it. In this I told you about the how to on and off the computer, and also I told you about what is file, what is folder and the difference between the files and folder, and also I told you about the notepad and how we will create the file also. In this class this is I told you about the introduction. In next class I will tell you about the gallery, animation and graphics etc. Okay students, I hope that you all are understand this class. Thank you students.